Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to get your Mailchimp API key and audience ID. These credentials are essential when you want to connect Mailchimp with third-party apps or automate your email marketing workflows, so let's jump right in and get these sorted out. First, open your browser and head over to Mailchimp.com. Once you're there, log in using your account credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Mailchimp dashboard where we'll begin the process of generating your API key. Look up at the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile icon, click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Profile. This takes you to your account settings where you can manage various aspects of your Mailchimp account. In the Profile menu, click on Extras. This section contains additional tools and settings that aren't immediately visible on the main dashboard. From the options presented, choose API keys. This is where Mailchimp stores all your generated API credentials for connecting external services. Scroll down until you reach the section labeled your API keys. Here you'll see any existing keys you've created before. If any, to create a new one, click the Create a Key button. Mailchimp will prompt you to give your API key a descriptive name, so in the API key name field, type something that helps you remember what this key is for, like integration with CRM or website form connection. Once you've named your key, click Generate Key. Mailchimp will instantly create your unique API key. This key appears only once, so pay close attention to the next step. Click Copy to Clipboard to save your API key. Store it somewhere safe immediately, as Mailchimp won't show you this key again for security reasons. Now that you have your API key, let's grab your Audience ID. From your Mailchimp dashboard, click Audience in the left side menu. This takes you to your audience management area where you can view and organize your subscriber lists. Click on Audience Dashboard to access the main controls for your audience. Next, locate and click the Manage Audience drop-down menu at the top, then select Settings from the options. This opens up detailed settings for your selected audience. On the Settings page, you'll find your Audience ID, also referred to as List ID by Mailchimp. This unique identifier is what external apps use to know which specific audience they're interacting with. Go ahead and copy this Audience ID to use in your integration or API setup. And there you have it, you've successfully retrieved both your Mailchimp API key and Audience ID. These two pieces of information will allow you to seamlessly connect Mailchimp with other platforms and automate your email marketing tasks. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.